We all know that secure data is at the top of the list when it comes to protecting your business. And there are lots of great ways to do this. However, focusing only on data misses the bigger point. Will you be able to open your data later? Dell AppAssure Software is the complete solution to the future of data security and data access. Let's take a look at the end-to-end, ups and downs, and ins and outs of how we achieve this. The problem with legacy solutions is that they treat the OS, applications, and the data as separate entities, when in fact they live together on our computers for a reason. They need each other in order to function. AppAssure does a complete backup, not just the data, but the entire OS and all the applications required to access your data. You'll never have orphaned data again. Installation is easy. Only a small AppAssure agent is placed on each user's machine, and the AppAssure core is installed on your backup server. After AppAssure's first complete backup, all future backups are incremental. Your OS and applications will seldom need updating, so AppAssure only has to deal with the data that continues to grow and change. By working down at the block level, rather than up at the file level, AppAssure keeps backup batches lighter. This detailed approach saves time and space. Snapshots are no longer time and resource intensive. New and changed blocks are constantly monitored, so when it's time for a snapshot, the agent simply copies the new and changed data to the backup server. All along the way, a checksum process is used to verify the success of every backup. After the data has made its way to storage, the backup server does a virtual remount of the data, as well as the OS and applications. There simply is no better way to verify the success of a backup. Following along the lines of working at the block level, AppAssure also runs inline deduplication before it reaches storage. This amazing feature looks across all blocks in storage for redundancies and eliminates them from the incoming backup. This process keeps the storage lean, clean, and unburdened with additional processing. In general, as data ages, we access it less frequently. Working with that trend, backups can parallel the data life cycle. Starting with backups every 5 minutes, AppAssure can dial back to once an hour, then once a day, week, month, etc., until eventually the data is no longer needed, locally or possibly at all. So that's all about data going in. What about getting data out? It's just as easy and transparent. First, what if a file gets corrupted or lost on a user's machine? AppAssure simply transfers a clean version of the file from storage and the user is off and running. Taking it up a notch, let's say the data volume goes out on your local server. AppAssure uses live recovery to quickly and transparently restore the volume. Again, without a hiccup, you're back in business. Okay, what if the entire local server goes belly up? It's just another day for AppAssure. Right away, the VM replica server is turned on. The original server's complete OS, volume, and applications are at the ready, as though they never left. Have we missed anything? No. Does AppAssure miss anything? No. This is the total backup solution for all situations. Dell AppAssure. Protect continuously, move data anywhere, recover everything.